My name is Paolo Ernesto Crippa. I am a European patent attorney at Jwho Partners. Two numbers, 2015, 2020, 5 years. The company I present you today is a startup that in 5 years became able to introduce in the market, in the European market, a robot for microsurgery in open field that is able to move scaling and tremor reduction. This company is a Medical Micro Instruments, or MMI. This was thanks to a great number of persons that are able to merge researchers in a wonderful field, in a wonderful area, Pisa. Since 2015, when I met for the first time Giuseppe Prisco, I recognize a person that is conscious about the importance of quality of intellectual property and was able to increase the patent portfolio from 8 patents since the first years to more than 150 patents. Not only patents, but also management of know-how, design and trademarks. Now I leave the floor to Daniele Bettini that will interview Massimiliano Simi, the Research and Development Director of MMI.
Thank you, Paolo. So, Massimiliano, what's MMI, how it's born, and what do you do?
So MMI has been founded in 2015 by me, Giuseppe Prisco, and Anna Teichmann. We met in Pisa, and we worked in advance for 2 years on thinking about how to miniaturize what today is recognized as a step up, an advantage for robotic surgery. It's a robotic wrist, so articulated instrumentation that we miniaturized. In 2015, we received first capitals from a group of business angels, and we founded MMI. We started attracting talents, group engineers that together with me built the product. Today, this is Simani robot. It's a robot for microsurgery. The application is associated to support and help microsurgeon to reattach vessels and nerves below 1 millimeter size. You can imagine how complicated this is. Today, it's done manually, and so the tremor of their hands really affect or can affect the outcomes of the procedure. Our robots allow to scale and filter the motion and reach really incredible precision and improve the outcomes for, better patient results, but even helping surgeons to be more satisfied of their work.
And how did you choose your team?
Thank you for this question. I can say that Pisa for sure represents really a place where robotics is in the heart of the Tuscany. A university, Scuola Sant'Anna, and even the group of companies that work around Pisa has in the robotic their main topics. It's not easy to find knowledge in the field worldwide, but Pisa really represents the perfect place in Italy where to found and grow this kind of company. MMI now is a company that is able to attract people and talented people worldwide, and we always keep the bar very high, because in a small company, whatever a person can bring, it's enormous, anyone has a big contribution to the advancement of the society of MMI. And so what we look for in the R&D group, that is the one that I drive, we of course are always looking for talented software engineers, mechanical engineers and electronic engineers that want to push forward technology and do this for the healthcare. That I think it's a very important field.
And which kind of IRP strategy have you built?
Yeah, IP is a very important asset for us. Since the day one of MMI, we consider how to protect our know-how and how to make this asset become stronger and stronger years after years. We worked together with Jwho in order to define a precise strategy that is based on two kind of things. One is to grow and generate IP, okay? So we generate patent since the first day we start designing, and we grow our portfolio that today is even bigger than 150 patents. On the other side, we protect and we create, the know-how of the company is protected by a policy that is based on generate protected information around what is considered the key and the core competence of MMI, that I would say that is not just robotics, but even production. In particular, we consider our key components their miniaturized articulated wrist that is produced internally by MMI. And so all that area is represent, I can say, our core competence that is secret for us.
And for the future, which are your plan, your roadmap?
Well, I think that we are very young. The product is very young. Today, we are installing platform around Europe, and we are collecting feedback from key opinion leaders and surgeons that really work with us very well, full of suggestion, and they are pushing our product in the field because they feel the needs of technology in microsurgery. And I can say that today it's robotics, tomorrow will be vision and artificial intelligence.
Thank you very much and good luck.
Thank you all. Thank you.